Hello, good day everyone. This is Liz from Guangzhou Keou Lighting Company. I'm here in our outdoor lighting products workshop. I'm going to take you on a tour of LED floodlight assembly process. Okay, let's have a look. Now they are producing is 400 watt. Actually, we have 500 watt and 600 watt also. So let me show you the assembly process of LED floodlight. Here is at laser print area, we can provide the OEM service. We use the machine to print some technical specifications like the voltage, lumen, and other datasheets. All of our products we are doing agent tests before package. I'm so happy to show you our workshop of outdoor lighting products. If you are interested in outdoor lighting, welcome to contact us freely. Thank you. Bye.